Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to browse the web privately and access blocked websites on Microsoft Edge? Using a free VPN is a simple way to do just that. Here's how to use a free VPN in Microsoft Edge in just a few steps. So the first step is open Microsoft Edge and go to the Edge add-ons store. Second, search for free VPN in the search bar. Some popular free options include BrowseSec VPN, Setup VPN, and Urban VPN. Step 3. Choose a VPN extension with good reviews and click Get or Add to Edge, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. And step 4. After the VPN is installed, you will see its icon near the address bar. Click on the icon, select your preferred server or location, and turn on the VPN. That's it. Your browsing is now more secure and private, and you can unblock websites easily. Do you want to try it now? Link is in the description box. Check it out and surf the web safely on Microsoft Edge for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.